How to clear Spotify search history. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how we can clear Spotify search history. So, the first thing you guys need to do is just open up your Spotify app. Here we have a search icon at the bottom. Click on the icon. At the top, we have a search bar. Click on the search bar. And here you can see this. It is all my recent search. Click on the cross button to clear your search history. Or at the bottom, click on delete or clear recent search history. It will delete all your search history in just one go. But still there is a chance that your search history is in your cache. To remove that, click on home button, then go to the setting icon, then scroll down till the storage option is seen. Here we have a storage. Click on the clear cache and all your data will be removed or your search history will be clear.